Summers are back and so does the swimming competition. So today we are going to dive into some nutritional advices which is tailored for the pool. The first thing which you would want to consider is how to fuel yourself before you dive into the pool. So first thing to consider is to overload yourself with carbohydrate rich foods. This include whole grains, fruits, sweet potatoes, berries and vegetables to keep up with a steady flow of energy. The second thing is the timing. Always consider pre-planning your meals at least 2 to 3 hours before your event. This will help you avoid any kind of nausea and vomiting happening during the event. The third thing which you would want to consider is the hydration. Hydration is the key to success for any athlete. Hence, it is important to keep on consuming coconut water, lemon water or sports beverages in a ratio of 5:1. And what better than one chase for that? So keep up with your energy levels, your focus and your stamina with good hydration. You can always carry some foods like energy bars or berries to be consumed in between, and if you're really nervous, you can also look to have a piece of chocolate. In Qua Nutrition, we are here to help you optimize your performance and we are dedicated to help you achieve that medal.